what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this low sleek bun. This is what I personally love to do when I don't feel like putting heat on my hair or putting any type of effort in my hair, because it's minimal effort and it's really cute and chic. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, put your post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I do post. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this hairstyle, you want to start with second day hair or even third. This is my second day hair. I'm going to be washing it tonight and I just have a few errands to run today and it's very windy outside. So I was like, let me just show you guys how I do my low sleek bun, because it's literally my go-to. I don't really like putting heat on my hair, so I try to do hairstyles that doesn't require heat. And this is one of them. I want to start by showing you guys the things that you need. It's not a lot of stuff, but I want to show you guys first before we do the hairstyle. So first, you need a brush, any type of brush. We need a brush that has really small bristles on them, just because it helps sleek the hair. You're going to need some agua and then some gel. I just used the Eco olive oil. I got this from Walgreens, I believe. And then you're going to need a few scrunchies. So I'm just going to be using probably 3 or 4 in this video, depending on how my hair cooperates. So first, I am going to brush my hair. I like to put water first before anything, just on the top of my head, because this is going to be the area we're going to be working on. Okay, so now you're going to take your brush and you want to part it. I'm going to part mine on the side today. I like to do it in the middle too, but we're just going to do the side for now. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to go in with more water. But now you're just going to add water to form the bun. I'm going to take my brush and just sleek it. I'll keep it simple, baby. In my opinion, it's a lot easier to sleek your hair when it has natural oils in it. That's why I like my hair goes in the direction very smoothly. And also the water helps. Then we're gonna add more water. Forming the bun is like the hardest part of this tutorial. What I like to do is take a few of like my side hair just to frame my face a little bit. But I just add a little bit of water into my ponytail and I'm gonna twist it, and then you just keep twisting until you make it into a bun. And then you're gonna take your ponytail and secure it. So now you're gonna go in with a hairbrush and some gel. As you guys can see, I have a few flyaways and we want this look to be sleek, so I'm just gonna gel that down. There's more where I came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements. Now I'm just gonna take some of the gel. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I might do an everyday makeup tutorial next. I already did my makeup, so that's not gonna happen today, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have a nice day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.